How did I not discover this before? Let me show you this amazing pot recipe. Add 1 kilo of chicken, 4 tomatoes, and 1 liter of water to a pot and cook for 35 minutes. Remove the chicken, shred it, discard the bones, and peel the tomatoes. In a pan, heat olive oil, add the shredded chicken and tomatoes, then season with salt, black pepper, paprika, thyme, garlic powder, and onion powder. Sauté everything until rich and fragrant. In another pot, boil 1 kilo of peeled potatoes until tender. Then mash them with butter, salt, and black pepper until smooth. Divide the mash into 4 portions and shape them into small shells. Fill each one with mozzarella, add a generous spoon of chicken filling, and top with more mozzarella. Bake at 200 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes until golden and melted. Finish with fresh chives if you like. Would you try this cheesy chicken surprise at home?